Hi guys, Blackview BV9700pro lock phone. It is 2019 indestructible flagship lock phone. Also the flagship lock phone of Blackview in 2019. I make a video for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We have the best price. We will send the phones from our Shenzhen or Hong Kong office warehouse directly. Global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. I will put a B2B contact link below the video, and I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We will send it out to you soon. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. And we can deliver the phones to your forwarder address in Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. The phone is only one color, the black color, and it have two versions, standard packaged version and night vision camera version. It is a 5.84 inch FHD Plus display. Resolution is 2280 pixels by 1080 pixels. Its CPU is MTK Helio P70 octa-core, 2.1 GHz. It supports dual nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card up to 128 GB by micro SD card. 6 GB length, 128 GB long. It have 3 cameras. Selfie film camera is 16 megapixel, and its rear cameras are 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel. 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel. Here's the heart rate detection and sensor. This one is not the fingerprint sensor, and it have dual LED flashlight. You can see very good quality lock phone. And the battery built-in is 4380 mAh battery built-in. Supports 18 watt fast charging, 9 volt 2 ampere fast charge. It supports fast charging, wireless charging, NFC, and GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Bluetooth, fingerprint. Here's the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor, power on off button, down, up, Type-C to USB port, and the SIM card slot. And it supports full netcon, the global FDD LTE connectivity. You can use it in South American or North American. Also can use it in Europe countries. The phone supports air detection to test air quality and pressure. It supports heart rate detection. And its operating system is Google 9.0, Google Pie, AI operating system. 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. It is IP68 and IP69K, and it supports wireless charging, NFC, IP68 and IP69K, 4380 mAh battery, and also it supports fingerprint and face unlock. Support GPS, AGPS GLONASS 被动. Let's have a try its camera. Let's have a try its camera. Okay, you can see the phone details. It is a U-notch display. The phone have 9 version to choose and standard package version to choose. Okay, now let's have a look. This is its night vision camera. With the night vision camera, here are 2 buttons. One button taken a photo. Let's taken a photo. We can see night vision camera. Taking a photo, taking a video. Okay, that's all. Night vision camera. Okay, let's continue to check what include in the color box. Here's the color box. Nine volt 2 ampere fast charger. One piece is Type-C, your Blackview Type-C headphone. One piece is Type-C USB cable. One piece is Type-C to Type-C adapter. One piece is a jet pen to open the SIM card slot. One piece is screen protector. Here's the menu. Okay. Last, let's have a wake, the phone, the packaging, and glance. We can see the phone grams is 284 grams. Let's continue to have a way. The phone and the standard package. 716 grams. Have a look. The together. T5 grams total. That's all. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. I will put a sample order, small order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place the order directly. If you want made business, B2B business, you can contact with us. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. That's all.